Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Are you ready to guess the fruits? Listen to the clues and have a go. Ready? Let's go. I am crunchy. I grow on trees. I can be red or green. What fruit am I? Apple. Did you know that apples float in water? What's next? I am yellow when ripe. What fruit am I? Banana! You guessed right. Awesome! This is a banana. Here is an awesome fun fact about banana. Did you know that bananas are actually berries? Yes, they are. I wonder what fruit could be next. I grow in bunches. What am I? Grapes. Grapes. Grapes can be green, red, or purple. Here is a fun fact about grapes. Raisins are dried grapes. I am full of vitamin C. What fruit am I? Orange. Here is a fun fact. Bees help orange trees make fruits by pollinating their leaves. I am very small and blue. I can be found in muffins. Yes, I am a blueberry. Blueberries are packed with vitamins to help keep you healthy. Birds love eating blueberries. You can eat them fresh or frozen. Wow, that is awesome! Did you know that every blueberry has a little star-shaped top? Look! I am bright yellow. I am very sour. What fruit am I? You got it. It's a lemon. I am sweet and juicy. I have one big seed. What fruit am I? Yes, it's a mango. Mangoes are called king of fruits in many countries. That is awesome! Look! Look! It's a mango! Bright and juicy! I have a spiky top. My skin is rough, but I am sweet inside. Good job! It's a pineapple. Pineapple. Say it with me. Pineapple. Did you know that pineapples take really long to grow? I am green inside and have bumpy skin. What fruit am I? You're awesome! Yes, it's an avocado. Did you know that avocados are really fatty? But it's really good fat. People love to spread avocado on toast. Avocados have one big seed on the inside. Wow, that's amazing. Say with me, avocado. 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 Now your turn. Can I hear you say avocado? Good job. I am 90% water. Watermelon. Watermelons are pink on the inside. They are really good when it's hot. Can I hear you say watermelon? Good job! It is a watermelon. So juicy and sweet. You're awesome! Good job guessing fruits today. Join me again for more fun learning. Walk good and please subscribe.